will be talking about a brand which I have recently started liking a lot. So since work from home chal raha hai and I do not get enough time to cook for myself and I'm a big time foodie. So I was just wondering कि कहाँ से मैं खाना order करूँ और maybe I could come across a page जहाँ से मुझे hygienic, healthy, home cooked food वाली taste आए. So I explored a lot of options from Swiggy and Zomato just to get that taste, just to try at various restaurants or outlets you can say. But I was not getting something as per my expectation. So while googling or you can say while scrolling, I came across a brand named Pink Apron. Of course, I had already heard about it through a friend, but I never checked it out. So this time I checked it out and you guys won't believe they have this lovely homemade, hygienic, and you will get that ghar ka khana wala taste kind of food there, because it's not by some restaurant or some outlets. These foods are actually cooked by housewives और वो ladies जिनके कोविड के टाइम्स में यू कैन से काइंड ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं रही है, या तो मे बी उनके घर में कुछ फाइनेंशियल क्रंचेस हैं, सो दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू स्टार्ट अ रेस्टोरेंट ऑफ देयर ओन, और मे बी सम ऑफ द अदर रीजन, सो दे आर ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम हाउस. So I thought, yeah, it would be kind of like social work as well. Why not order food from somebody and help another lady? So it will be like hashtag women supporting women kind of a thing. And the best part is the founders of this startup, or you can say brand, is a lady itself. So I thought, ठीक है, लेट्स सी, ट्राई करते हैं. सो मैंने उनसे मेल सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया यूजिंग वन ऑफ देयर आउटलेट विच इज़ देयर इटसेल्फ. आदि जीवन करके है. द नेम ऑफ द लेडी हु प्रोवाइड्स मी फूड इज आंचल, एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव रिसीव टुडे. सो दिस इज़ पनीर की सब्जी, एज इन दिस इज़ आलू मटर पनीर, एंड यू वोंट बिलीव, ये आप अगर इसको खाओगे तो चपाती के साथ, मैंने एक बाइट लिया है बाई बिकॉज आई कुडंट रेजिस्ट, तो आपको ये फील आएगा कि एक्चुअली ये घर में बना हुआ है. It's yum. It's yum. उसके साथ उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए इस फूड को मैंने बाय द वे मिनी थाली लिया था, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट ईट दैट मच. इनके पास बजट थाली और प्रीमियम थाली का भी ऑप्शन है, बट अगर मैं बजट थाली या प्रीमियम थाली ऑप्ट करती तो मैं उतना फिनिश नहीं कर पाती, एंड मुझे फूड वेस्टेज बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई वेंट फॉर दिस थाली विच इज़ जस्ट 3 चपातीज एंड अ वेजी, एंड एट टाइम्स दे गिव मी दिस. I don't know what this is called. I think this is clams, or at times they complement it with salad. And I would also like to promote one more thing through this video, which is this मिर्ची. ये मेरे घर की खेती है, ये मुझे गार्डनिंग का रिसेंटली शौक चढ़ा है. तो I have started gardening, and ये मेरी खुद की मेहनत है, मैंने एक मिर्ची उगोई है. So hope you like this video. Hope you like the way I have reviewed their food. And I seriously want you guys to go and check it out, this particular brand which is pinkaprons.com. मैं comment section में और basically in the caption section में उनका link डाल दूँगी. You can go check it out. They have really nice menu, and when you are ordering food from their outlet or using their platform, you are actually helping the housewives or the other people, maybe home chefs, I would say, the home chefs who have lost their job, who are going through financial crunches because of this COVID situation. So in a way, you will be getting hygienic, home cooked, fresh food. First of all, beneficial for you, and the second part is you will helping or giving back to the society in some or the other way. So I really request all of you to go and check it out, this platform, and later you can take a call whether you want to order food using this platform or not, but at least give it a try, just see how it works for you guys. That's a sincere request from my end. Thanks for watching my video, thanks for listening to me, and see you again sometime. Bye bye.